scientists have huge telescopes supported by... The telescope is an instrument that collects light and provides detailed images of remote and faint celestial objects. Seeing deeper and further depends on collecting more light, usually requiring larger lenses or mirrors. Today, scientists have huge telescopes, supported by state-of-the-art instrumentation and sophisticated software to study the universe and discover its secrets.
The most beautiful planet.
The Earth is an oasis of evolved life in the solar system. The Moon is our natural satellite, with a diameter roughly 4 times smaller than Earth's and lacking an atmosphere.
Wait lang, ayaw mag-audio. Cancer, Leo, Virgo, and those are the zodiacs. Okay? These are the zodiacs. So zodiacs, they are not randomly selected. Okay? Okay, in the sky. So remember earlier, the red line, this is the ecliptic line. So any the constellations that intersects the ecliptic line is part of the zodiacs. Okay? So that are anyone have been to California? So that's they said it looks like the state of California. Okay? So those are some of the deep sky objects. Present looks like a rose. How can you see the rose? You see the petals of the rose? Yeah, okay, so that's why it's called the Rosette Nebula or the Rose Nebula. And then we have here NGC 253. So this is an elliptical galaxy. Because it looks like elliptical.
Looks like my first
And yeah, let's have another example. M34. M34 is an open cluster.
Wow. Open cluster.
M34. Another one, we have Galaxy spiral arms. Okay.
Spiral galaxies.
There. Spiral galaxy. Okay. Of its configuration in the night sky. If you can see, it looks like a cross or a rosary.
It's beside the
So
moon.
this is the Pleiades star cluster, which
Oh,
is very near
I like it.
the moon. So cluster of stars, these are, well, cluster of stars, okay? Number of stars. So the cluster of stars can have at least 100 stars in a single cluster.
Wow.
And you can see those stars, they have different colors. And their colors represents, or we can determine their age and their temperature. Okay, so bluish to white stars, these are younger type of stars. And these are young. Since they are very young, they produce tremendous energy. That's why they are. It looks like a merging
Wow,
galaxy.
look at that.
So these are two galaxies merging,
Merging galaxies.
okay, and forming a bigger galaxy
Wow.
in the future. Okay, so it takes millions of years for it to able to come up with a bigger
Wow.
galaxy. Okay, so
It's
this
beautiful.
is the merging galaxies. Next slide, because they can be seen by our naked eye, and they can be only be seen by a special telescope and a specialized camera to capture them. So these sky objects, they are named after what they look like. Okay, and there are some named after a letter and number. So the first one, there are M and NGC. So M stands for Messier. So it was named after Charles Messier. He is a French astronomer. So he cataloged these deep sky objects from M1 up to M110. Okay? And then we have here NGC. NGC stands for New General Catalog. These are fairly new cataloging system for lecture is about the solar system. So,
Planet
Yes.
Saturn.
pakita ko lang po. So that's planet Saturn. Next we have the planet Neptune, nearly beside of planet Saturn. Okay, so this is Neptune.
Whoa.
So planet Neptune can be seen by the naked eye. So we have to use telescopes to view the planet Neptune. Next we have planet Uranus. Okay, so this is Uranus. Okay,
Oh,
it's Uranus. And then last from our planets is what we call is
Jupiter.
Jupiter.
Biggest.
This is Jupiter. Here. So the largest planet in our solar system. So those are the major planets that we can see with our ground. And then there are some objects that and a star. So if you will see, you can take a look closer. So the stars, okay, the stars twinkle. And then the planets, they don't. Okay, so the planets, they don't twinkle. Okay, so that's how you identify a planet.